Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to watch videos on YouTube without any ads. So let's get started. So first I shall have to open my YouTube account and try to play any kind of song and see if we shall have to experience any ad. So I'm opening my YouTube account and then I'll pick any song and try to play it. So this one, for instance, let's try to play this and see.
I'm gonna try something new today. With that beat I just created, I'm gonna upload it to Suno, and now I'm gonna select.
Fine. So you can be able to see that whenever I'm trying to play this song, there is an ad that has popped up there, and it shows that actually I can't be able to play this song unless I'm given a permission to skip the ad in order to play the song. So today, in our video today, I'll be showing you how to block this ad entirely so that whenever you are streaming, you don't get interrupted with these annoying ads. So let's get started. So first you shall have to select a VPN of your choice, and like in my case, for this demonstration purposes, I'm going to pick NordVPN. This is a VPN of my choice, this one. So this is a NordVPN, and then I will open it. So you can just pick any VPN of your choice. It can be either NordVPN, ExpressVPN, we have Surfshark VPN, we have Windscribe VPN, and many other VPNs. So like in my case, for this demonstration purposes, I've decided to use NordVPN, and I'm going to open it. So while you open it, you shall have to select Albania as a country, and then you turn on your VPN and select the location to Albania. So like this. So this one, I have selected the location to Albania, as you can be able to see here on my video. So once you have done that, once you select your location to Albania, this will be able to block all the ads on YouTube. So let's get back to YouTube and try to play and see. So I shall have to close all tabs on YouTube, then I open it afresh. So let me clear it, and then I open YouTube once more and see if I shall have to experience any kind of ad. Yes, so let's try to search for any song and play it. Here is the song, so let's try and play it and see. Very perfect. So you can be able to see that the songs are being played without receiving any kind of ads. So this trick helps to block all ads on YouTube. So let's try and look for any other song and play it and see if it will have to work out. So maybe I can try to pick just any kind of song and see. Let me search for Mortals. I like this song. Yeah, so let's play this and see. So you can be able to see that it is just working out very well without any kind of ads. So this trick helps to block all ads on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit a subscription button, share and like our video. Thank you for watching.